come and I lay down my burdens. I know that I do not.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is featuring this makeup look, whatever. So I wanted to do something spring inspired. I actually saw a look that one of my sisters in Christ was wearing, and I was just like, yes honey, yes. I wanted to repeat that look today, but I was just like, I don't feel like doing the basic purple for spring. Everybody does purple or yellow for spring, so I wanted to switch it up, do something a little different. And you know, I came with this little, you know, flirty makeup look, you know, this hey big head look, you know, when you trying to get attention from your boo, or you know, you see you done spotted somebody, you trying to be like, hey big head. This how to flirt 101. I'm just kidding, but no, yeah, this is the makeup look that I came up with, and I actually love it. Like, listen, okay, we is snatched. Okay, snatched. In this tutorial, I used the Morphe Foundation. Listen, at first I wasn't particularly pleased with the shade that I chose because it just was super dark. Well, it wasn't like super dark, it was really dark and red, and I have, like I said, I have like these golden-y undertones, and so yeah, I just can't be great, but I made it work. So I still really like it. Like, I don't think I would change the shade or get a, if I wanted to wear this for the summer or for the fall or winter rather, I would probably go back and switch shades. But I liked it. It was about 20 bucks, so not even that expensive for such a great foundation, honestly. Like, it is full coverage. Like I said, it's only applied one layer, and I didn't really, the only areas I really touched up in was the areas that I was really like sparse with, which is my forehead, because like I like to take time to build up on my forehead versus the side of my face, because you know, I'm trying not to jack up my edges and stuff. But do I recommend it? Absolutely. It's worth the money. And so, and there's a lot of shades to choose from. I'm actually tempted to try out the Morphe Concealer now because I don't know, but I like the Fenty concealer, and I used that today. And if you haven't seen my video using that, you can check that out as well. I will link it in the description box for you to watch. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so grateful for all the love that I've been getting on my channel. Y'all, like I say every single time, y'all the real MVPs, and I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy this makeup look. I'll catch you guys in the next video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start by priming my eyes. I'll be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the shade Eden. And typically, this is the eyeshadow primer that I always use when I'm doing looks, but I like this shade in particular because I'll be using bright, vibrant colors today, and I really want a lot of color payoff. So I'm going to start with that, and I'm going to apply it all the way close to the transition area right below my brow bone, just so that everything transitions together well. And I honestly think I applied way too much. Way too much. A little goes a long way with this. I know it looks a little sloppy, which is okay. It won't matter in the grand scheme of things, honestly. Because you're going to cover that up with foundation and concealer, so don't even sweat it, sis. It's okay. We look a little crazy right now, but it's going to work out. It's going to all work together for our good. We're in a room of 828. My God. Oh. Why is it that I'm always about to fall? I need to stop putting stuff in this corner before I break my freaking neck. Like, we don't have time. We don't have time. We don't have time. So now I'm going to take my Morphe palette, Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, the very first one that she released, and I'm going to apply the shade Creamsicle to my transition area, and I'm just going to take a fluffy brush to do that. So I'm taking the shade Rebel in my Retro Love palette. It's just like mute orange, no, mute yellow color. It's a little bit darker than the one that I just used, and I feel like that's gonna add some depth to this, and I'm just gonna apply it right underneath where I applied that shade, so in my crease area. I'm going to go in my little pony Colourpop palette, and I'm gonna take this shimmery peach shade in the color Starshine. I'm gonna take this shade right here called Sky Dancer, and I'm just gonna pop that on, the outer V of my eye. For some reason, I just feel like the colors in this particular palette are not that pigmented, and it breaks my heart because Colourpop has some really pigmented stuff. And it's just this palette in particular that I'm finding is not my favorite as far as pigmentation is concerned. So I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna go back in with the previous shades because I need to blend everything out. So I'm gonna go back into Creamsicle. I'm gonna go back into that other shade. What's it called? I'm gonna go back into Rebel and just work on those transitional areas. So now I'm going to move on to the face, and yeah, I'm gonna be trying out the Morphe Foundation. So I've had this for a little while. I'm trying it in the shade F4.10, and it's a matte foundation. It's supposed to be full coverage. I'm a little nervous about it because I thought the shade that I picked would be too dark, but I feel like this might be my shade, so we'll see. Because on the box it looks dark. That's why I tested it out in the store. Okay, break out, but we ain't got time for the shenanigans. We got time. So far I like it. I noticed that it is a little bit red. It is a little bit darker, as you can see. I'm still gonna keep it though because I feel like this could be a good summer shade. It is full coverage. Like, I've only applied one layer and I can barely see my dark spots, and you know, my skin's been clearing up or whatever, you know. So yeah, if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. I will link it at the top, and it will be posted at the end of this video, or in the description box rather, so you can check out how I've been getting my skin to act right, get some act right. So what I'm gonna do real quick is go ahead and apply my lashes off camera and do the rest of my face, and then come back when I'm about to finish my eyes. So I'll see you guys in a few. Well, I'm back, and as you can see, yes sis, we are snatched, okay? We are snizzaged, and we ain't even finished yet. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and finish up the rest of my eyes. I said I'd come back after I finish my eyes, so we're back to do that. I'm gonna start by lining my underline with this lavender pencil. It's the LA Girl gel liner, glide gel liner in the shade Paradise Purple. I don't know, this is making it look very dark, so I'm gonna do the other one, but I'm gonna blend this out. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f. smudge brush. I'm gonna go back into my Colourpop My Little Pony Collection palette and take this shade Sky Dancer, which is the shade that I use on my outer V, and put that under my eye. I'm going to take the shade Blossom. It's this gold shade, and I'm going to pop that in my inner corner. I think that really, yes, I like that. Yes, yes.